Okay. Oh, we got some people coming in. Hey, y'all. Okay, hopefully I get a few more people coming on, then I'm going to proceed because I got something that's very life-changing that I would like for you guys to know about. Okay. Okay. My scissors. Okay, so a lot of y'all who know me know I have been on this journey to better my health. And I found something that is so great, so life changing, and I feel like everybody needs to know about it. So I am about to show you guys the contents of this box. And here, this is called the Quantum Vetox. And they packaged this thing up. Dang, they made sure this thing was not about to be damaged to the okay. The red top. Those who know about this know what the red top means. The red top is good. Okay, so this is the shaker that it comes with. This here, now I have notes that I wrote down. So y'all gonna see me looking at my notes, but this right here, the name of the company is vPhase Body Cleanse. Everybody needs to know about this. This right here, this is bomb, okay? So this here is aged bentonite clay, okay? So it's loaded with calcium, magnesium, uh, iron, potassium, etc., etc., etc. Basically, it's bomb, okay? So it absorbs the toxins, heavy metal, even radiation, okay? This is good. I was gonna say something else. No cussing. Okay, we good. Okay. So basically it's you see it's wet. So it has alkaline water. And the alkaline water enhances the healing properties. So cool, right? So it's this one again. So there's three of them in here. Okay. Let me put this. So these are the scoops that they come with. And these strips right here, oops, hold on. These strips are meant to test your alkaline. Okay, this right here, this tablespoon, this is for the bentonite clay. This is for this psyllium husk. So those of you who are into holistics, y'all already know what this is. So, okay, let me get this box out the way. Okay, so my notes. It's another. Find my camera. So the psyllium husk is able to pass through the digestive system without being completely broken down. It's a soluble fiber and it absorbs water. It's very beneficial if you have constipation, diarrhea, high blood pressure, even cholesterol, you know. So, and it's excellent for weight loss. So, this is, y'all have to excuse me because I'm Trying to find my camera. So this is the psyllium husk. So, and this, I can guarantee you won't find this product anywhere else. These are the herbs. Now, these are 100% organic. Okay, it has 41 nutrient dense herbs and roots. This contains burdock roots for some of them, burdock root, ginger root, flaxseed, chia seed, rhubarb root, just to name a few. Okay, now this, I started this journey for a reason, and I'm thankful and I'm happy that I actually came across this product here because a lot of people with mental health issues, me being a person who actually has been dealing with mental health for years. I've been d- Alaska Xavier, this lady right here, she's one of the owners of this company. How you doing, girl? She says it's great for that time of the month too. Psyllium husky is so, ladies. So I started this journey because I wanted to be myself again. You know, dealing with mental illness. When I was 17, I was diagnosed with anxiety and depression. A few years later, I found out I was dealing with PTSD, and trauma can be bad to the point where, just like for me, I have had thoughts of suicide, and I just didn't feel like myself. And as you could see, I just, you know, I started gaining weight. I was bullied a lot. So starting this journey for me is important, and knowing that I have a product that can actually help me with that. This product does not just um help with like your cholesterol and all that stuff. It helps get rid of the mucoid plaque that's inside your body that builds up in your intestines. And dealing with Alaska Xavier and her husband, they helped me learn that good health, it starts with the gut. So if you have a healthy gut, then you'll 9 times out of 10 be healthy yourself. So I have had before I went vegan, I've been vegan for 2 years. Thank God I was able to stay on the right track. I've had my slip ups. However, being vegan has helped me a lot. I went from being into like a 3X to a 1X, and I'm steady improving. So it's really important to me that I'm around for my children, and to see I want to be around to witness their accomplishments. I'm not trying to go under nobody's knife, and I don't shame people who have done it, because sometimes you got to do what you got to do. But I'm old fashioned. vPhase. Okay. So y'all have to excuse me, my mouth dry. Give me a minute. So before I went vegan, I was really, like, really, really, I was a lot bigger than I am now. So I started out going pescatarian. Hey, Porsche. Hey, best friend. Portia Hardy is my best friend, and she stuck with me through a lot. My other bestie ain't up here yet. But so I was overweight. I'm still overweight, but not as overweight as I was. Kudos to me. But I had, like, going up 3 steps was hell. My joints was hurting. Everything was hurting. It was a struggle just to breathe and walk at the same time. And, so I decided to change my life. And then with having toxic people around me and being in a toxic relationship, that didn't help. So I decided to say, okay, forget the relationship for right now. Forget all the negativity that people are trying to put on me. Forget the bullies that are in Edenton that bullied me, the people who bullied me while up here You know what I'm saying? Forget about all that. Focus on me, so and focus on my children. Get myself together so I can be a much better mother to my children. So I started out going pescatarian. I quit the meat cold turkey, and that was it. Like, so I started slowly weaning myself off of the seafood, and I started weaning myself off of cheese. The hardest thing for me to quit actually was the shrimp and the cheese. So I had my slip ups, and then at some point when I would give into those cravings, I would eat shrimp. It would make me feel like crap, and so I would just, give it away. And my two oldest are like, "Mom, you feeling good? You gave away shrimp." Checking to see if I had a fever and stuff. I'm like, "No, I don't want it." Then I started. Um, I had to give up the cheese because when I ate that, it started to. I started to produce mucus, and that's the thing with dairy products. Dairy products, cheese, milk, even yogurt. They may contain probiotics, but the dairy in them, they actually produce mucus, and it's not really good for the body. Mucus is actually dangerous for the body when you think about it. It's clogging. I mean, I have two children with asthma. Mucus in the bronchial tubes in the lungs and stuff like that. It's bad. It's really bad. So I gave up the cheese. It made my joints hurt and everything. So I got into therapy. I've been in therapy for 4 years now, and I've had a lot of relief from it. I came here with severe anxiety, depression, PTSD. Like I said, I was in a relationship that was so toxic that I was contemplating suicide. So, just don't let nobody take you that far. So this is why I'm happy that I came across this. I will be um taking you guys on my journey every step of the way. So you'll actually be able to see that this product works, because you're going to see firsthand from me. So I'm not just going to tell you about this product and not show you what this bad boy can do. Okay. So I start my journey tomorrow, so therefore you're going to see my journey from start to finish. And so if there's any questions, or you have anything that you want to say, any opinions, feel free to put that in the comments. Because you know I stand by this product 100%. Oh, and I want to add this too. The one important thing out of many that my mom taught me growing up was that when you are introduced to a product, if the manufacturers of the product are not using their own product, that's a red flag. And this is another thing that made me get this product. The people who have made this product, they use the product themselves, and they show you firsthand what this product does. So that's another thing. I stand by this product 100%. So, like I said, I'll be starting my journey tomorrow, and I will be showing you from start to finish. So, just like with any, it's 28 days. It's 28 days. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this product. Is it okay if I have some pistachios? I'm just gonna eat all my pistachios. I just want some. Okay, go ahead. Thanks. You trying to eat all my pistachios? I can't have nothing. Okay, so I'm going to be starting this tomorrow. So I just wanted to come up here and let you guys know about this gold I found right here. And if you're interested, DM me. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.